Hi everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA. And so here we are on a job site, and there was a problem that the homeowner was having. We're landscaping the whole thing, but one of the important things in landscaping is that you want to keep your water on site. Now we're here in South Redondo, and there's a lot of dew that happens every day. The dew falls on to the roof, collects, and then it goes into rain gutters, and you can see the the fog comes here, it goes down that green pipe, and that green pipe actually goes underground, and it comes out here. And there was a problem because there was this constant moisture that was going out to the driveway, and we can see right here where it just went out to the driveway. And if you have constant moisture there, eventually after a couple months you're going to get an algae buildup, you're going to get tripping hazard. So it's just not good to have water constantly going into your driveway. So we did here was we actually we cut into here, we put a T, and then we have this water takes the path of least resistance. It's gonna, all the dew water is gonna go down here into this box, and then there's no bottom on the box, but this is just gonna hold water. And so the whole idea of having water in the landscape is to slow the water down. So this is gonna go into the box, and so it's gonna be able to capture that rainwater, keep it on site instead of going out to the driveway and then eventually going out to the ocean. Now if it rains, the box will fill up about 33.5 gallons, and then everything will be wet at that point. It'll fill up, the overflow will go into the driveway, but it doesn't rain that often in Los Angeles. So this is a great solution to a problem, the Eco Rain Box, and just a little bit of ingenuity. It's what we do here at Enviroscape LA, regenerative landscaping. For more information, give us a call or look at our website, Enviroscape LA. Thanks for listening. Take care.